Hello everyone and welcome to this, a first look at the game Mindcrack Marines. My name is Kasanis. This isn't really a game. It's something that I've been working on. Many of you know that I left YouTube about a month ago because I didn't feel that I could produce quality videos in my current state. I'm a stay-at-home father, I'm a stay-at-home dad, got two little girls, they're about 2 years old, and I used to record my videos while my little girls napped, and they have recently stopped napping, which meant that my time to record was extremely limited, and I was not producing the quality videos that I wanted to. So I told you guys I was leaving and that I'd be working on game development, something that didn't really require a lot of quiet. So that's what I've been doing, and this is what I've come up with. I've built a few other games as well, a couple of prototype runners and things like that. But this is my first really full-blown write a GDD, a game development document, and try and produce something. Now, looking at this game, you can see right away that it's not really a game yet. It's something that's playable. You can play it, and you can fight hordes of mobs that come at you, but it's not really a game yet. Not the game that I really want to design. Really and truly, it is just the ideas that I have. I was trying out many different ideas, things that I want to add. I really wanted to combine something about Minecraft with a shooter. I love shooters and I love Minecraft. My channel was built around Minecraft and around technical animation videos, and I really wanted to include Minecraft in whatever it is I was doing here. So this is what I've come up with. It is a shooter that has the aesthetic of Minecraft. It has a lot of the same mobs. I'm using popular personalities. Right now you can play this game as Vintage Beef, and I'm actually hoping to add in a bunch more Minecrackers, give them unique personalities and unique abilities and that kind of thing. But right now, this is really just a prototype. You can even see, if you look at this, that some of the sounds are rough and the animations are rough, and not even all the animations are there. Like the melee animation isn't there or anything like that yet, and the knockback animation for the mobs isn't there. But really and truly, this is the ideas that I wanted to get across. I wanted to see if I could even do it, and you know what? I think it's coming along pretty well. It's coming along pretty well, and that's why I've decided to make this update video. I've passed this game out to a few of my YouTube friends, and a lot of them have been telling me that they really like it and they'd like to see more. That they're impressed with what I've done so far, and that's why I decided to make this video. I thought I was going to throw this out to you guys, the general viewership, the guys who are interested in the same stuff that I am. And I want to hear exactly what you guys think. Now, my goal for this game, like I said, was to combine the aesthetics of Minecraft with a shooter. And I'd like to make something that's kind of like Left 4 Dead. Maybe along that lines where you are, you're traveling from one location to the other, you're trying to stay alive. I don't want to make a horde mode kind of thing, but really and truly with a goal-oriented game where you are trying to survive and eventually escape this zombie apocalypse or this Minecraft world, or Minecrafty, whatever it is. That's really what I want to make. I really would like to have it be multiplayer, and I think what I'd like to do is maybe add in all the Minecrackers, let you play as one of the Minecrackers. Maybe, I don't know, maybe start off with a Team Canada edition or something like that, because of course I am Canadian, which is why Beef's in here. He's a Torontonian just like me, and that's why I added him first. But anyway, yeah, that's kind of what I was thinking, a multiplayer type game where you're trying to go from one location to the next, and you're trying to survive each time you make it to a different room. You're collecting different weapons, etc., etc., and you're trying to survive. That's what I really want to do. What I'm trying to see now is what you guys think. Do you guys think this is a worthwhile game? Is it something you think you'd like to play? What would you like to see in here? What kind of ideas would you like to see in here? What exactly do you think would make this game awesome? I've passed this out, like I said, to a handful of my friends on YouTube, and a lot of them have told me they think I should be starting a Kickstarter. They think that the game is worthwhile, or the concept at least, is worthwhile, and to start a Kickstarter. And that's something else. I don't want to waste everyone's time. I'd like to hear what you guys think. If this is something you say, wow, I'd play that game, then let me know down in the comments, and I would actually start a Kickstarter. What that would allow me to do is a couple of things. My channel was originally built on, yes, it was built on Minecraft and the game commentary, but I did a lot of technical animation videos, and they were all tutorials. And what I would like to do with Kickstarter is, of course, build a game and afterwards, or during, I should say, not even afterwards, during that, make tutorials on exactly what I did. So when I was finished producing the game, anyone who supported me in Kickstarter would get the tutorials, and they would get the game itself. So they would be able to play the game, yes, but they would actually be able to go through and build the game themselves. I have experience as a game developer. I was a professional animator for a lot of years before becoming a stay-at-home dad, and I worked at a number of game studios where I worked on some pretty good games, actually. The last game I worked on was for PS4. It was called Contrast by Compulsion Games, and it was one of the PS4 launch games, actually. So that was pretty cool. So I do have a lot of game development experience. Before being an animator, I was an engineer and I was a coder. So I've actually got both sides of things. So I'm very confident in what I'm going to be able to do. So I want to know if you guys would be interested in it. I want to know if you guys think that this is a game that would be worthwhile seeing. If you do, then let me know down in the comments. If you think, you know what, I'd like to see that game and I'd like to see how he did it, let me know down in the comments, and I will work on game tutorials, on game development tutorials, as well as the game itself. And I will start up a Kickstarter campaign that would allow me to actually purchase the pro version of Unity. Now, right now I'm using the free version of Unity, and the free version of Unity is awesome. Don't get me wrong, it's really, really good, but the pro version allows you to do that much more, and I'd really like to make this into something that I can be really, really proud of. I'm staying home. One way or the other, I'm staying home with my girls. I want to be their dad. I want to be their father. I don't want to be some guy who has to work, 15-hour shifts at an animation studio because the studio's once again underbid, and they're taking that out on the animators to make sure they're getting their stuff done. I don't want to be that guy. I don't want to be working all my life away and not see my little girls. I really would like to do something that I can do from home, and something that I can be proud of. And game development is something that I can be proud of. I'm a very creative person, and I'm very interested in actually following this as a career. So guys, let me know down below if you think this is something worthwhile. Let me know what you think you'd like to see in this game. Alright? Let me know if you think a Kickstarter is something that you think would be cool. Alright everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoy what I've done so far. If you do, then let me know with a thumbs up. If you don't like it, a thumbs down is perfectly fine. That tells me, hey, you're on the wrong track. I don't think this is a game I'd like to play anyway. Let me know in the comments why you think that. Of course, I don't mind thumbs downs. Give me a thumbs down if you don't like it. Let me know in the comments why you gave that thumbs down though, and I'll move on to a different project. I am going to keep on doing game development. Like I said, I love it. I love games. I've got the experience to be able to do it right, and I'm going to keep on doing it so I can be there for my little girls in the future. But anyway, thumbs up, thumbs down, lots of comments down below, and let me know what you're thinking. Alright everyone, I'll talk to you all very soon.